Hello kids, welcome to Learning with DB Family. Today we are learn countings with colors. Looks. One. Where is one? Red. Red. Two. Where is two? Purple. Purple. Where is three? Three. Purple. Four. Four. Where is four? Brown. Brown. Where is five? Five. Blue. Blue. Six. Where is six? Green. Green. Seven. Where is seven? Green. Where is eight? Eight. Green. Where is nine? Nine. Blue. Nine. Blue. Where is 10? Orange. 11. Where is 11? Yellow. Where is 12? 12. Purple. 13. Where is 13? Yellow. Yellow. 14. Where is 14? 14. Orange. 15. Where is 15? Red. Where is 16? 16. Wow! Awesome! Good job! Looks. Where is one? One. Where is one? Wow! I found one. Red. Red. Where is two? Two. Purple. 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 Where is three? Three. Pink. Pink. Where is four? Four. Blue. Where is five? Five. Yellow. Yellow. Where is six? Six. Six. Where is six? Yellow. Where is seven? Seven. Red. 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 Where is eight? Orange. Where is nine? Blue. Blue. Where is 10? 10. Pink. 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 11. 11. Blue. Blue. Where is 12? 12. Yellow. Yellow. Where is 13? 13. Yellow. 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 Where is 14? 14. Orange. Orange. Where is 15? 15. Purple. Wow! looks. One. 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 Where is one? Purple. 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 Two. Where is two? Pink. 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 Three. Where is three? Yellow. Four. Where is four? Orange. Five. Where is five? Five. Green. Green. Six. Where is six? Blue. Wow, awesome. Looks. One. Where is one? Blue. Blue. Two. Where is two? Wow, we find two. Two. Red. Red. Three. Where is three? Red. Four. Where is four? Wow, we found four. Gray. Gray. Five. Five. Gray. Gray. Six. Where is six? Oh, wow. Orange. Black. 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 Where is seven? Seven. Yellow. Where is eight? Eight. Blue. Wow, good job.